Hello guys, welcome to the new video. So in today's video, I am going to demonstrate a new project, and the project title is Cycling Store Project. We have made this project using a languages HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and MySQL. And in this project, we have two modules. One is customers, and another is an admin. And the features in this project, the features in this project are going to all the features of e-commerce, like inside the e-commerce we have a card options, payment options, and the and inside the admin all these admin options are inside this project are available. Card option, payment, and the inside the payment we have used a Razorpay in testing mode. But if you have a Razorpay with current activate account, then you can use your activated account. But I'm using a test mode account of Razorpay, and this Razorpay is work as a real testing, like you are payment in real world. Admin, and then the card operation for all these like customers, adding product, deleting product, and all the things. And the last one is delivery options. We have a delivery options like updating in a real world e-commerce websites. Now the software that are going to need it, one is Apache server and the MySQL, and one is an editor that is used for the editing the code, and one is browser. Why you should watch the demo video? You will get the complete information of the project, and the code and setup and the flow of the complete project. You will understand the exact flow of this project, easy to explain in your college. Like if you understand the complete project, then you can explain in your college or in your or in your company. And if you watch the complete project end to end, then you will understand the exact flow of the project, explain the code and the flow of the code. Now, how you can download? If you have any code, then it's good. But if the code is not working and some files are missing, because if you have downloaded this code from somewhere, from the Google or from the website, then might be some files are missing, or some database files are missing, or some connectivity, or some other errors might be. Then the code is nothing. Then you can note, and then you can do anything inside the code. But if you buy our code, then it will save your time. I will explain all the flow of the code and the setup on your systems also. And if you have any queries, then I will solve that also. Now we will go with a demonstration of the project. This project is real life based, like in Hero Electrical Cycles. Inside the Hero Electrical Cycle, this is the clone of this website. Like inside the Hero, we have all the cycles, and then we have a code options, then the product, and all these and these videos also. So I'm going to open our project. This is our project. This is the first page of this first page of this project. It will show all the cycles that are available inside this project. And we have four options in the on the navigation. One is for the home, another is for products. It will display all the products that are available. One is contact form. We can remove the contact page if we don't want to add this page. Otherwise it's not necessary to delete or any update inside this contact form. One is for registrations, one is for login, and this is for the searching the project. Now inside the product, like an e-commerce website, we have an filter bars, like the brand name and the out of stocks. The cycles that are out of stocks will display inside this inside this section. And the gear, so we can add multiple options here so that we can filter easily. Now I just select any cycle that are available, and then add for the navigations. uh, like I select this cycle, add to cart. It will display all the information related to the cycle, and it will display the price as I haven't login, so it will not add it to the cart. So first what I have to do, I have to registrations and then login this login with the same credentials. So first I will go for the registration. I have to enter the correct name and the correct phone number. Phone number is used for phone number we have used. It will send an OTP while doing a payment. So just use a correct phone number. Like I am using my name, decodeit@gmail.com, and the password is the same, and we have used the password test@123 state test, and then city test, and then contact number. So I have to use the correct phone number so that I will get the OTP while doing the payment. Address test, and the image, I have to use an image, so I just use this image. Okay, now registrations. We have successfully registered. Now I just log in and add an cycle, that this one. Now select the quantity. I have selected the one quantity and add to cart. Okay, this is already added in my cart. Here it will display the summary of the payment, and here we have an option for deleting, for updating, and the cycle names. If we want to continue, then we can continue, otherwise we can proceed for the checkout. Now I select with a checkout. So I have an option, I have two options. One is for cash on delivery and one is for Razorpay. So inside the cash on delivery we don't use any payment method, but on the Razorpay we have used a real time Razorpay payment method as a testing mode only. If I select this cash on delivery, so it just select the successfully payment and go to back, and here it's showing me the tracking status. If I select this, then it will display all the update, when it will pick, when it is shipped, when out for delivery, and when is for delivery. These things updated by the admin panel. So I select the another cycle with the same price, and so that I can use the Razorpay payment option. Now I just go with this and proceed and Razorpay. Now this is a real-time Razorpay payment option. Selecting the payment, it will navigate to the Razorpay ID. Now I have to select the UPI ID, card, net banking. I just select the card. Okay, now I have to enter a Razorpay account number 5454. So I just use this one, and then okay, so I just use a demo user, expiry, name, and 1234, and then pay without saving. Okay, international payment card is not support, so I have to use a correct Razorpay payment method, card number, Razorpay test credit cards. So I use that cards so that I can pay on testing mode. Here I can use this one. Now select the payment without adding. Okay, now here we have an option for successfully payment or fail. I just select the success, so it automatically success the payment and it navigate to the main page. So this payment method we have used Razorpay, but you can use your real payment method for this also. So we have done with the both payment option. One is for cash on delivery and another for Razorpay. Now I just open as an admin and I'm just opening the admin panel, admin area, and then admin password and admin username. So I just use the admin username and admin password. Okay, admin. So admin have all the rights. He can update total number of product, total number of customers, total payment, and the total orders. Currently we have 7 orders, so I think it's not showing me here, but the new order that is currently ordered, this one, Razorpay, payment done by the Razorpay. We can update the status of that order. So we have updated that status is completed and packed. So we can update that, we can update the status of that product. Here all these details for editing the product, deleting the product, and categorize, all the options are available here. We can change anything we want to change, and anything like we want to change, we can change from here. So this is the admin panel, and that was the customer panel. If you are interested in this project and you want to save your time, or you want to showcase this project to your colleagues or in your company, then you can go with this project. And if you want to sell something through this project, then you can sell also. Its project with this project will go with a good number of